Minash-Shaytanir-Rajim. Bismillah-Rahmanir-Rahim. This is Mehreen Qasim from PMEI School Systems. Today we are going to discuss topic grammar, and that's from unit number 2, lecture number 4, article and pronouns. What are articles? Articles क्या होते हैं? A, N and the are called articles. They are mere adjectives. They are of two types: definite article and indefinite articles. So there are two types of articles: definite articles and indefinite articles. ये किन किन लेटर्स के साथ आते हैं? Definite articles. First we will discuss definite articles, and then we will discuss indefinite articles. Definite articles, the is used with names of rivers, seas, oceans, gulfs, mountain ranges, sacred books, ships, newspapers, group of islands, with nations, before superlative degree, with adjectives used as noun, with singular nouns and representing the whole class, with the nouns representing single whole, with the names of directions, with the name of the day, etc. Indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are of two types, a and n. A usually comes with a or a usually comes with consonants, while n placed before words beginning with vowel sound, not consonant sound, vowel sound. Okay, let's have some examples here. If I say university, so it's starting from, the word is starting from U. So definitely U, A, E, I, O, U are usually are vowels, while rest of the alphabets are consonants, right? University. So what we are going to put with it? It starts with U. The word is starting with U, but having a sound of Y. That's the reason we are putting a with it. Another example, MA and LLB, right? So what we are going to put with it, because it's there, these two words are starting with M and L, so definitely they are consonant, but they are giving the sound of vowel, right? A. So that's the reason we are going to put an MA and an LLB, right? Honest and honorable. Usually people do mistakes with this, right? An honest and an honorable, because they are starting with H and they are silent here, and they are giving the sound and producing a sound of O. Honest, honest and honorable, right? Similarly, starting with H, but the sound comes in or A. So we can say that in indefinite articles we have two types of article, a or n, right? But article A is placed before word beginning with consonant sound, while article N is placed before words beginning with vowel sound, right? Okay ji. Let's have some examples. Number 1, my mother is a doctor and my father is an engineer or an author. A doctor starting with D and sound is D, right? Duh. So a will come here. And my father is an author or an engineer, so the sound here is a author or engineer. Engineer. Number 2, boxing was originated in the ancient Greece. The ancient Greece, because we have discussed previously in the previous slides that where we are going to put the, right? Professional cricket is an excellent career. An excellent, why put an with it? Because it's having a sound of excellent, excellent. The sun rises in the east, with the directions, with the unique, right? The sun rises with the unique natural objects, right? Okay. The sun rises in the east. Fifth one, the river Indus is the largest river of Pakistan. Superlative degree, the river Indus, with the seas, with the oceans. With the metal, copper is a, okay ji. With the metal, what we are going to put? Copper is a useful metal. Useful, useful. Look at the sound, useful, a useful metal. Number 7, Ali is an honest man, like we have discussed earlier, an honest, an honorable. Number 8, he recites the Holy Quran early in the morning. The Holy Quran, with the books, with the holy books, with the sacred books. Number 9, we should help the poor. Classification, nation, right? The poor. Number 10, I read the Daily Dawn every day to seek a good job. Read the Daily Dawn. Daily Dawn is the name of the newspaper. Seek a good job, a good job. Starting with starting with G sound, right? A good job. The second topic we have is pronoun. What is pronoun? As it shows by the name pronoun, noun. Pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun or noun phrase. प्रोनाउंस क्या होते हैं? जो कि नाउन्स की जगह यूज़ होते हैं, नाउन्स की जगह इस्तेमाल होते हैं. A word used instead of a noun is called pronoun. Always remember, if nouns are singular, then pronouns will be singular too. And if the nouns are plural, then the pronouns will be plural too, definitely. Right? So, what are pronouns? Pronouns I, we, you, they, he, she, it, him, her, his, them, us, and etc. Likewise, we have an example. Ali plays cricket. Here, Ali is a subject. And if I said, he plays cricket well. So, he is replacing Ali. And it is using, and we are using he instead of Ali. So, what is he here? He is a pronoun here. Let's have another example. Ahmad likes Alia. Or if I'll say, he likes her. So, he is replacing Ahmad and her is replacing Alia. Right? Let's have some examples here. I met Sonia yesterday. She made me laugh. So, she is using instead of a Sonia. So, she is a pronoun. Number 2, Ali and Ahmed were crossed because they had waited ages for the bus. So, Ali and Ahmed. They is replacing Ali and Ahmed. Yeah, they is used instead of Ali and Ahmed. So, this is pronoun. And as I told you before, that always remember, if noun is singular, then we will use singular pronoun, and if noun is in plural form, so we'll use plural pronoun, sorry, right? Okay. Number 3 is hold the bag, please, while I put shopping in it. Hold the bag, please, while I put shopping in it. So it is using instead of bag. Number 4, my name is Sonia and I love my family. My name is Sonia and I love my family. So I is using instead of Sonia. We are Pakistani, we love our country. Pakistani and we. Noun is using here is Pakistani and we is using instead of Pakistani. So that is a pronoun. Hopefully this would be beneficial and helpful for you all. Thank you so much. This is it for today.